Hey guys, Chris from Dunn Watson. Happy Friday. Just want to show you a fit out that's going in our Mitsubishi Triton. We are very happy with the way it turned out. All right, so with this one, we've done a custom ply floor. We've also then done a custom Bushmaster and a custom fridge slide and cutlery drawer. All right, the fridge slide and cutlery drawer was made to suit the Waco fridge. It slides out. Now these units are all fitted on our 227 locking slides, so they're going to lock out and take a heap of weight. And then you've got a cutlery drawer that pulls out here, and then you got your lift up lid. Single-handed lock and lever bar on there too, guys, so nice and easy use. Then next to that, we've done a custom Bushmaster drawer. Again, fitted on the 227 kilo slide, so you're going to take a heap of weight. You've got a massive amount of storage in there. And then you also have your sliding top too. Some would say that is perfect height for beers, and I do agree. Now you notice too here, there's a couple of GPO units. We've got an iTech Worlds inverter switch there, also an iTech World power system. These units are not wired. All right guys, we have just fitted them for the customer. They purchased them and we just fitted them in there. If you come around the side here, you've got in total 6 lift up hatches. All right, so you've got 2 each wing kit. You've got a lift up hatch at the rear and one behind the fridge here. So this one behind the fridge actually lifts up, and then it gives you obviously full access to what's behind the fridge on the slide. Now if you also want to go a bigger fridge or take the fridge out and put some longer items in there, you can still do that. If we pull up the rear hatch here, guys, that's where you can see the battery and inverter are mounted too. So we try to really utilize as much space as we physically can. And then obviously to each side, you do have your lift up hatches here as well. But there you go guys, that gives you an idea of what we can do in tub fit outs. We can do something like this in a wagon, obviously in a canopy as well. But we try to really utilize all the space and make it to the customer's desired needs. There you go guys, hope you have a good day. Happy Friday.